In this video, we'll guide you through how to get stretched resolution in Fortnite. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Let's start by going to your search bar and typing local app data. Locate the Fortnite game folder and open it. Navigate to Saved, Config, and Windows Client. Right-click on Game User Settings and open its properties. Ensure that Read Only is not selected. Now for the crucial step of achieving that stretched resolution. Open the file and search for resolution size. Adjust the resolution to your liking. You can find different resolutions in the description. For this example, I've set it to 1680 by 1080. Repeat this for resolution size X. The last user confirmed resolution size, desired screen width, and last user confirmed the desired screen width. Take your time to make these changes, then save the file. Right-click on it again. Go to Properties. Select Read Only and apply it. Now, go to the NVIDIA control panel. If you don't have it, download it from the Microsoft Store or search for it online. Navigate to Change Resolution, select your gaming monitor and press Customize. And click on Create Custom Resolution. Set up the resolution to 1680 by 1080. And don't forget to change your frame rate. For me, it's 144. Now wait until your computer sets up the new resolution. Now once your computer is done, confirm the new resolution by pressing Yes. And apply it too. The new resolution should be now shown under Custom. Make sure that you selected it. Let's go to the final step. Go to Adjust Desktop Size and Resolution. Select Full Screen and click Apply. Now your game is set up and you're ready to go. Write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you like this video. And see you in the next one.